Good day. Today, we are going to discuss about the basic rules of addition and subtraction of fraction. So, be ready for our formal discussion. In today's discussion, we are going to tackle about the basic rules of addition and subtraction of fraction. And to formally start our discussion, I want to recommend that you take down note and be ready. So, in first example, we have 4 over 5 plus 3 over 7. The first thing we need to do is to know if the denominator is same, but they are not. So all we need to do now is to get the denominator by simply multiplying 5 and 7. And to get the value of numerator, we cross multiply. So 4 times 7 is equal to 28. Then since it's an addition, we write addition sign. Then cross multiply 5 times 3 is equal to 15 and is equal to 43 over 5 times 7 is 35. And that is our final answer. Now we end up in discussing addition rule. Now we're going to tackle about the subtraction rule of fraction. So here we go. We have 5 over 8 minus 4 over 9. Like what we do in addition, since it is not the same denominator, we just simply multiply both denominator of fractions. So we have 8 times 9 in denominator. And like what we did, we just simply cross multiply. 5 times 9 is equal to 45 minus 8 times 4 is 32. Therefore, our answer is 13 over 72. And it is the final answer. By this time, let us complicate some things in order to apply what we've learned on the past example. Now, we are going to solve 5 over 4 plus 7 over 3 minus 9 over 2. The first technique that I will going to teach on you is to get the LCM or the least common multiple. Since the denominator is not the same, so we get the least common multiple. So in number 2, the factor is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and so on. In 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18, and so on. And the factors of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. The concept of least common multiple is the numbers that all the denominators have in common, and it should be in least value. So it is 12. So it is 12. So our denominator is 12. Now I want you to introduce this concept, the divide and multiply. So in order for us to get the value of the numerator, 12 divided by 4 times 5 is 15. Like 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 7 is 28 minus 12 divided by 2 is 6 times 9 is equal to 54. And to simplify our answer, we have 15 plus 28 is equal to 43 minus 54 all over 12. And let us simplify it further. 43 minus 54 is equal to negative 11 over 12. And that is our final answer. And now, I will going to teach you another technique or method in solving addition and subtraction of fraction. And let's have this problem. 3 over 5 minus 2 over 3 plus 7 over 4. The technique that I going to teach you on solving the denominator is by simply multiplication. 5 times 3 times 4 is equal to 15 times 4 is equal to 60. Therefore, our denominator that we are going to use is 60. So, then, let's proceed to the divide multiply method. So, divide then multiply. 60 divided by 5 times 3 is equal to 36 minus 60 divided by 3 times 2 is equal to 40 plus 60 divided by 4 times 7. So, what would be the answer? So, in terms of tutorial, let's have this convention. So, 60 divided by 4 is 15 times 7. It should be 5 times 7 is equal to, okay, let's write divide and multiply first. So, 15 times 7, let's continue what are we doing. 15 times 7, 7 times 5, 35, 7 times 1 plus 3, 105. So, let us further simplify our answer. 40 plus 105. So, 36 minus 40 plus 105 is equal to, okay, let's compare it. It is equal to 145. So, 36 minus 145 over, okay, 60. Now, let's solve 145 minus 36. Okay, let's erase it first. So, let's solve 36 minus 145. Okay, 145 minus 36. It is equal to, let's cancel it, 90109. So, our answer is negative 109 over 60. And that is our final answer. That is our final answer.